Kowuok Ramogi wadonje Kaunti ma Kiambu. Kamoro ni Kaunti ma Kiambu oselalo omenda madirom siling milion 200 kaluwore kod mibadhi mar chulo jotije kaka mago manyawawa. Gavana mar Kaunti ma Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi oyango wachno kaluwore kod nonro mane otime chenro mag kaunti no. Lipodno mane ochiw gi janon buge omenda mag piny owacho bende yango ni jotije moko loko nonro magi mag bengi mondo omed omenda magiyudo dwe ka dwe. Matangi owacho ni tende oketo chenro mag kedo gi mibadhi ka osingo siro nonro matut ne jotije mag kaunti no.
I also have a letter here from the Ministry of from the Public Service Department, and what this letter says is that they have perused the payroll of Kiambu County, and in this payroll we have got malpractices, we have had cheating that is unbelievable. That you have got more than 1,396 cases of people who have duplicated bank accounts. People with same PIN number appearing in more than 2 accounts. People with the same identity appearing in different accounts. Now what that means that you have people within the county who earn more than 2 salaries. Now what would that mean even for somebody earning as little as 50,000 times 3? For more than almost 1,000 people? Then what business are we doing if we cannot cure those kind of ills? And that is why I'm saying very loudly to those that are walking around trying to scheme how we will not correct this kind of theft from the people of Kiambu. Your days are numbered. We are not going to allow people who are working as far as in Mutopa and they have salaries inside the county of Kiambu. Long distance drivers driving to Rwanda and Uganda, permanently employed in other places, in private companies, still earning salaries in Kiambu. And that's what we said, that we have to make sure that money that has been given to the people of Kiambu to serve the people of Kiambu, that's what it's going to do.